Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on any of our awesome content. Today, we're going to be talking about an essential accessory for your Xiaomi Mi Robot Vacuum Mop P/STYJ02YM/STYTJ02YM, Mijia Robot Vacuum Mop 3C, Xiaomi Robot Vacuum Mop 2S/XM STJQ2S, Vacuum-Mop V2, Vacuum-Mop V2 Pro, Vacuum-Mop V3, Vacuum-Mop SE, Conga 3490, or Mini Helpers Hydra S7, the filter for Xiaomi Mijia Robot Vacuum Mop 2's 3C Mi Robot Vacuum Mop P. Now, you might be wondering, why do I need this accessory? Well, let me tell you, clean brushes keep your home robot at the best performance. The side brushes are easily removed and replaced as part of normal maintenance, and the filters maintain the cleaning efficiency of the robot while reducing the ingress of dust, pollen, and other allergens to the air you breathe. For best results, filters should be replaced every 2 to 3 months. But that's not all. These vacuum cleaner accessories are high quality, made of high strength and environmentally friendly materials. They are substitutes for original accessories and are easy to remove dirt, dust, and trash in corners and edges effectively, especially hair and pet hair. Plus, the parts are durable and easy to install, making your robotic vacuum cleaner last even longer. So, if you want to keep your Xiaomi Mi Robot at its optimal performance and ensure that your home stays clean and allergen-free, you definitely need to get your hands on the filter for Xiaomi Mijia Robot Vacuum Mop 2's 3C Mi Robot Vacuum Mop P. Trust me, you won't regret it. And the best part? You can easily find this amazing accessory by clicking the link in the description below. So go ahead and grab yours now. And don't forget to leave us a positive feedback and 5 stars if you are satisfied with our items and services. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.